Now, the final section of that is about closing incident. How do we close an incident? Good. Now, we troubleshoot the issue, we find what's wrong, we fix the wrong, how can we close it? Good. Now, when we close the incident, we have to give ourselves a question. Did the resolution solve the problem? Did we actually solve the problem? Is the customer satisfied? Did we identify the actual reason that caused the problem? Good. Did we take any corrective actions? Any permanent solution actions? All this stuff, you have to make sure you put it in the ticket. Sometimes you don't have to be that details, but in most of the cases, yes, it's very nice to have the details, especially if it's one of those solutions that took you a lot of time to answer it. Because if you put it there, somebody at later stage might be suffering from this. He will go search for a ticket that have the same error code, and then he will find how did you solve it. So these are very useful stuff. Good. If one of the answers above is no, that means the problem, we didn't solve it. But somebody will tell me, can we close the ticket if we don't solve the problem? What do you guys think? Can we close the ticket without solving the problem?
No.
Are you sure? Yes, in some exceptional situation. What does that mean? So let's say customer send the ticket that the application D2L, good. When you upload a PDF file that is more than 30 meg or 30 whatever size, 2 gig size, it freezes. It doesn't allow you to upload. Good. So we went to the customer, we tested on his computer, yes, it's happening. We tested another PDF, it's happening. We tested from my own account on my own computer, on my own file, it's happening. So it's not the user. So there's something wrong with D2L. We talk to D2L people here in the university, they don't know what's happening. We call D2L in Canada, what's going on, guys? And it says, yes, we know about this error, and we are working on fixing it, and it will come in the new update that is coming in like 5 weeks. In 5 weeks, we will launch a new update, it will fix the problem. So now what do we have to do? We can close the ticket. Did we solve the problem? No, we didn't actually fix it, but we will write in the ticket, this is a known error. The vendor indicate that it will be fixed in the next Windows update or in the next server update. It's happening somewhere in July 1st, so July month. So we can close the ticket even if we don't actually solve the problem, but with the proper details and proper explanation. Sometimes it's a known error. Good. Khalas, yeah, I know you don't like it, but this is how the resolution of your screen. I know you don't like it, but this laptop comes with a battery that it works only for 5 hours. That's it. I know you don't like it, but we don't have the part to replace the battery, and you have to live with it until the time comes to replace your computer. In very limited situation, we can close the ticket without solving it, but of course we have to consider it solved. We have to find a way to solve it right if we can. If all the answers is yes, that means the ticket is ready to be solved. It should be fine. There should be no problem. Then we go ahead and solve that ticket. Good.